Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel Aircraft Talk with Oliver. My previous video I talk about military and the civil aircraft. Now I am talking about how aircraft are classified. Aircraft divided into two main groups, aerostats and aerodynamic. Aerostats and aerodynamic. Aerostats means lighter than air, and that also divided into power driven and non-power driven. Power driven are airships and non-power driven are free balloons and captive balloons. In aerodynamics comes heavier than air, that is power driven and non-power driven. Power driven divided into rotary wing and fixed wing. Rotary wings are helicopters, rotor dynamics and autogyro. Under fixed wing comes the land plane, seaplane and amphibian. Thank you very much. Please subscribe, like it and share it for others. Thank you.